word self-reliant. The pronunciation is very easy. 4 syllables, and the emphasis on first syllable. Self-Reliant. Self-reliant. The meaning of the word self-reliant is being independent and able to rely on oneself, often with the intention of being self-sufficient, resourceful and confident. It implies a sense of self-determination and self-sufficiency, often with the intention of being able to handle challenges and problems on one's own. For example, she's a self-reliant person who doesn't rely on others to solve her problems. The survivalist was self-reliant and knew how to live off the land. Hey, type your own sentence using the word in comment box.